Okay, here is a 2001 Grand Am that I offered to fix a lower intake manifold on it. Well, the gasket leak. That didn't quite go so well, and now the guy's dad wants to hear the car, so I'm going to make a video of it because it'll be easier than trying to do it over the phone. It's not really that bad of a car, besides it's been in an accident once. Oh. I need two hands. Yeah, I have the alternator off because because you need to get the rear valve cover off, and we were removing it so many times that it just left it off. Wanted to leave the battery unplugged so that way it wouldn't drain, just in case. So now, if it'll even start, sometimes it won't even run. Yeah, here it is. You can hear the noise, hopefully. Yeah, it doesn't even want to run today. Yeah, hopefully you can hear this. Come on. Yeah, it's actually running pretty shit. Yesterday it was actually at least idling. Today it doesn't even want to do that. Yeah. Okay, I'll shut it off because I don't want it to do any damage. Just in case. Right now it's at least. So, hopefully you heard that. I will check this out, and if it can be heard, I will post it. So